As it left the Sportsmobile factory in 1993, this van was equipped with a lead-acid deep cycle battery in the back, which required a vent, which you can see just above and in front of the driver's side wheel well. We've got lithium iron phosphates installed now. The vent's no longer needed, and I could use that space for something. We'll show you in just a second. So, since we have lithium iron phosphate batteries in the coach, we've done away with the lead acid. We don't need the vent anymore. I've repurposed the vent hole. I've had to enlarge it using a 3.5 inch-ish hole saw. It's actually, I ordered a 3.5. They sent me a 3 9/16. I have a little bit of wiggle room. This is a port for the 30 amp cable off of a Jayco tent trailer, or at least that's what the listing said it was. I have my Anderson connector, and let me show you the whip I made. Okay, so we have another Anderson connector to two SAE connectors. One SAE connector goes to each of my panels, so I've got connectivity for two 300 watt Dokio panels. The panels can be set up pretty much anywhere. I have about 6 feet of extra cable in the van. I can pull that out, push it back in, gain a little extra distance. So that's it. That is my solar connection. One item to note, there is no gasket in there. I need to run to the parts house and get some RTV sealant to seal that up, because that's going to leak if I don't. Now, after sitting 24 hours to cure, the hatch is set up. And we are plugged in. I'm only using one of the panels right now. I'm just topping off the coach battery. I should probably wash the side of the van where I got it dirty. But yeah, I'm just going to top off the coach battery, test this out, but it should work fine. It's the same wiring. So there it is. There's my latest upgrade to the camper. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please click like, subscribe, and share my content. Please go back and watch the old stuff. There's a lot of good material there for you to enjoy. And like I always say, get out there, be busy, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.